The 2026 Skoda Scala is expected to redefine the compact hatchback segment with a bold new design and advanced technology, positioning itself as a serious contender in the ever-evolving automotive market. Speculation suggests that the next-generation Scala will feature a sharper, more dynamic exterior, with a wider front grille, aggressive LED matrix headlights, and sleeker bodylines that improve aerodynamics and efficiency. A redesigned rear with a full-width LED light bar and an integrated spoiler could give the car a more premium and sporty appeal, elevating it beyond its current generation. Inside, the 2026 Scala is likely to offer a more sophisticated and technology-driven cabin, focusing on minimalist luxury and seamless connectivity. A fully digital driver's display, an upgraded infotainment system with a floating touchscreen, and AI-powered voice controls will ensure a futuristic experience. Premium materials such as Alcantara, soft-touch plastics, and brushed aluminium accents could enhance the overall feel of the interior. Additionally, ambient lighting, ergonomic seating, and a panoramic sunroof may contribute to a more refined and comfortable driving experience. Under the bonnet, the 2026 Scala is expected to embrace electrification, possibly featuring a plug-in hybrid, PHEV, or even a fully electric variant, in line with Skoda's push towards sustainability. If a petrol-powered option remains, it could be an efficient yet powerful turbocharged unit, enhanced with mild hybrid technology for better fuel economy and lower emissions. Performance-wise, the new Scala could introduce an updated chassis, refined suspension tuning, and an intelligent driving mode selector, ensuring a balance between comfort and agility. Technology will be a major highlight, with the latest version of Skoda's SmartLink system, offering 5G connectivity, over-the-air updates, and advanced driver assistance features, ADAS. The 2026 Scala may introduce semi-autonomous driving capabilities, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and AI-based predictive braking for enhanced safety. A 360-degree camera system and smart parking assist could make urban driving even more convenient, ensuring the Scala remains competitive against rivals in the tech-driven market. Ultimately, the 2026 Skoda Scala is shaping up to be a more stylish, intelligent, and efficient hatchback, combining modern design with cutting-edge innovation. Whether as a hybrid or fully electric model, it is expected to offer strong performance, a high-tech interior, and improved safety features, making it one of the most compelling options in its segment. If these speculations hold true, the new Scala could position itself as one of the most desirable hatchbacks of the next generation, offering a perfect blend of practicality, efficiency, and driving excitement.